Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Today we're down here at Myrtle Beach. We come down this weekend. Today's Thursday. We've come down for the weekend for the Run to the Sun car show. Happens every year in March. Huge car show, between 3,000 and 4,000 cars, plus parts vendors, some of the really good food. I have a camper that we keep stored down here, and it needs a few things, and we're going to go ahead and do that today. I have to replace some stabilizer, a couple of stabilizers on the rear. There's a water valve inside that needs to be replaced behind the toilet, and then we're going to wash it. It's really nasty, so that's what we're going to do. So let's get started. Okay guys, here is our stabilizer. It looks like it's just got 5 little 3/8 inch screws holding it up. There's 2 on this back side, 3 on this front side here. The problem with this particular jack is, well, both of them on the rear, is it will go down, but it will not come back up. I have to lift it up to get it to go back up, so it's just wore out. Our camper's a 2015 model. So it's been 8 years old, so just part of maintenance. So what we got to do is remove these self tappers here, drop this one down, and put the other one up. This daggum wrench. Gosh. Okay, we got the old one out. And be sure when you put the new one up, you put this facing the outside so you can put it down and back up again. Okay, now that we've got the jack mounted back on there, we're gonna go ahead and slide our block into place. Get our impact out. Let's run it down. And there you have it. Again, these things are not designed for leveling the camper. They're just stabilizers. You level the camper front to rear and use these to stabilize the camper. But they do wear out from time to time. These needed to be changed, and we've got that done. We'll move on to the next project. Okay guys, we're on to the second project. The second project in this camper this weekend is we have a valve on the back of the toilet in the bathroom leaking. It's this valve right here, and all we do is unscrew this, take this off, press that in, and that valve will slide out. Then you snap the new one in, screw the water line on, and then the valve actually comes with a new clamp. We have to cut this clamp off right here. So we'll get started on that here in just a minute. Towel. Don't forget to put your towel down, guys. I didn't think I'd have much of a leak because I haven't hooked the water up yet. But we did. I had a little bit of one.
You live back over here? So you're just cruising through here and you find them? Yeah. I was just living out. Small body leaving there. When was the last time you drove through there? What time?
Just get that clamp loose there so we can get this hose off.
I'm sorry you came about this. We're good. Yeah, that's not something.
We'll push down on the clip here, holding it in. It should rotate it, pop right out. There we go, see? Now we need to get this off.
Back at homicide. See if we can get every
And there we go.
He's not their system. The teenager could not be identified by his fingerprints.
Okay, I've wrapped Teflon tape around the end here. Anytime you're dealing with water, plastic pipes, you want to wrap it with Teflon tape.
With daily infusions, let the scent set the mood.
Okay, so now just snap the new valve into place.
When you look into your future, do you see a life full of obstacles or possibilities?
Just like that.
The army has formed a line of millions within its ranks and the character of this country. If you see obstacles,
Screw the water line on there.
well, you can draw strength.
Make sure we get it snug. We don't want it leaking. Just remember not to over tighten it. It is plastic and it will break.
Want a flatter, tighter tummy? Check out new RvEx from Sonobello.
Doctor, after my pregnancies, my body never got fat.
I'm going to slide our clamp over the top here.
Introducing RvEx from
slide our hose down on there.
I finally got the flat stomach I had always wanted.
Schedule your free consultation and get $250 off. Call or go to sonobello.com.
I wonder if Instacart can tackle this honeydew. Need pick for the deck, gear for the kids' track meet, and the essentials. Honeydew list completed. Saturday save. Visit instacart.com or download the app to get free delivery on your first order.
Tip on the screwdriver done got wet and it's slippery.
Back with an all new season. It is really about watch Jamie and crew do what they do best. More excitement. More close calls. Don't miss the all new season of Highway Through Hell. Sunday nights, only on the Weather Channel. We're back with our final question. What does your business need to successfully advertise?
Okay, we got that tight.
You need to connect with customers in your neighborhood.
Reach people on their phones and TVs. We need to reach right audience no matter what, when, or how they're watching. Spectrum Reach, one advertising partner and done.
Then we have our last little screw that goes in here.
It became so much bigger than wrestling. WWE Superstar Sunday at 8, only on A&E.
Huh.
That's gonna be Darren Wilson.
This is Sergeant Walker.
Walker reaches back out to Darren Wilson's family.
I would hate to do this, but would there be somebody that could identify him from a picture? You can.
The family member says Darren's loved ones are gathered at his mother's house.
We're gonna be en route to your house. All right. Bye-bye.
Let's do it.
Hey, I'm Detective Calhoun. I want to show you a picture.
Calhoun shows Darren's brother's fiance a photo of the victim.
Oh my God.
Is that him?
Yes, it's here. It's here.
I know you're hurt.
16-year-old Darren Wilson, known to friends and family as Day-Gay, attended East Central High School, where he played football and competed in track and field. He had hopes of going to college and playing Division I football. Darren leaves behind his parents and 3 siblings.
Okay, that screw was actually going in back here on the bottom.
Well, he was shot. He was found in a field. Yeah. That's what I know.
Snug that down. Press the pedal a few times and make sure that thing's not moving back and forth. Everything's nice and snug and tight. And that's our second project finished. Okay guys, we got the water hooked back up. As you can see, we're working, it's flushing, holding water. We don't have any leaks at all back here. So we're good to go.